It's alright guys, and you welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be looking at something else, and in this video we will be working on the Google My Business as well. But this video is like a challenge to me, like some of my subscribers, someone comments in the comment box section, as you can see it on my screen, and told me if we could do a video about how to create a shop on a Google map in India. So this is what we are going to do now, guys. We already have the details of the guy over here, as you can see it. So I will be doing this now on the Google My Business to make sure the business is live on the Google map, but I will not be optimizing the GMB for the guy. He will have to do it on his own. So guys, let us get started. But before we do, you know that you have to stick to the end, watch this video to the end, so that you'll be able to understand and learn from it. Alright guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Like I said earlier, we are having a challenge over here, and we are creating a GMB based on the Indians. Should I say this video is specially made for the Indians, but you can learn from it as well. So this is the business name. Let us try creating the business name. I guess this guy who created this challenge for me doesn't watch most of my video to the end. That is why he said all this. So I pasted the link, the name of the business over here, to make sure to bring down this drop down menu, to make sure there is no one who is using this name on the Google My Business before. And as I can see, there's no one that is using the name as well. So I will click on create a business name with this. So after I click on this, the guy gave me a category to use, which is the key duplication category. So as you can see, this key duplication category, it might be a spam category. If you're listening very well to the previous video I did for you guys early last year, this might be a duplicate, or should I say a spam category. So in this case, I'll be using this category first. But if this category happens to be a spam category, I will have to change the category, just like how we did in the video I did earlier for you guys last year. So let me be copying this this category, which is the key duplication shop. So now I've copied the category, and I'll be pasting it over here now. So paste. So this is the category. As you can see, this is the key duplication service. Just click on the category, then let us click on next and add the other part of the body of the listing, like his phone number, his website, and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna add it as well, so I can fast forward this. And guys, I want you to know something over here again. It says, do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? Over here, if you know your address is spam, I will advise you to click on no and choose a service area. For example, if you are a resident of the United States of America and you notice that, okay, my business, I have a lot of businesses on the Google map, and this is has caused some spam category for me, or as spam my locations. Over here, you can just click on no, then input your service address. Maybe you are in Colorado, you can just type in Colorado, maybe Colorado CO, just like that. But if you know that your address is not yet spam, you can choose yes. But for these guys, I think I'll be clicking on yes based as he gave me the address to the fullest. As you can see, it's all over. So I'll be copying the address like this, so, and I'll be clicking on yes all over here to make sure that I input the address over there. So over here, as you can see, this is in Indonesia, so I have to change it to India. The main reason why this happens to be in Indonesia was this: I was in Nigeria, and when I want to do the Google My Business, it shows Indonesia. You might be asking, why is that? It's because I use a proxy, the anonymous proxy. This is the proxy icon over here. Once you're on this proxy, it can change your location to anywhere, maybe to the United States, to Indonesia, to anywhere you want. So you understand? So that's the main reason why. So I'll be going for the Indian over here. So these are the India wallets. As you can see, guys, after I input the guy address over here, the address doesn't show up like the one I showed you guys in the previous video, which means this guy is like using a spamming address or should I say is using a non-physical address. This address is not physical, because if this address is physical, it should show over here, and I should just do it with just a click, and it's gonna fill itself. But no worry, we can just try to help him arrange it very well. So as you can see, guys, I've helped the guy to fill it up. So I'm gonna click on the next button over here. So the next thing will be to add his phone number and his website as well. So you see, there's already a business like that look exactly like the one I am correcting for the guy right now. So if I click on that means I want to claim the business, but I click on this doesn't match. That means I'm going to create a new business. So I'm gonna create a new one. So click on the next. So after that, so do you provide home deliveries or an office visits? So that should be no, and then we click on the next as well. Okay, so over here we're gonna input the contact phone number. I already have the phone number, so I'm just gonna paste it over here just like this. Okay, paste. And about this website, the website is over here as well, as you can see here. So I'm gonna copy the website, copied, then come over here, then input the website URL. So if you met yourself over here, make sure you have either your phone number or your website URL, because if you don't have any of this, Google won't allow you to continue with your business. So I'm just gonna paste it over here now. Okay, it's here, so click on next. So now we are here to verify the business. As you can see, the business says get verified with a video of your business of your business. So if this guy business is real, this guy doesn't have to use a phone verification method. The best method that will help this guy from getting suspended in the nearest future is just for him to follow this verification method. Just for him to go to his shop, then record his shop as well with some proof and some other things like that, then his business will be verified immediately. But I am not here to show you how to verify this one guy. I'm just here to show you how you can verify with just your phone number. So I will just get over to the category. We choose the key duplication services, and I'm gonna change it to the key repair service like I showed to you guys in my previous video. And you can see, and you will surely see, guys, that this will allow us to verify the business with just our phone number. Let us do it now. So you just got to go to the info, or you go to the home, then you go to the info, change the category, go to the home and click on verify. Just simple as that. So I'm gonna fast forward this. So just click on the edit right over here to change the business to the other category. So I just erase this one, then we go to right, sorry, it's just its key repair service, then click on apply as well. So once the category is being changed, then everything will be done perfectly. So let us go to the home page. Then from the home page we can verify our listing with just a phone number like that. So if you don't forget, the main reason why we are doing this video, remember, it's a challenge video, and I accept the challenge, and over here we are doing the video for the guy. You can also challenge me for anything if you wish to know. You know me, I will never run, and now I will do the video for you. So here we are. Just click on the verify now, and we're gonna see what's gonna show us. So we are here to verify the business. As you can see, this guy already have a business over here, and this business, you know, Google once thought about this earlier. So because of this business, to verify this business will be through a postcard. Yes, it will be through a postcard, because Google will need this guy to verify his address. So he decided the guy choose the options that we have earlier to verify it by recording himself in the front of the shop, or he verified the business with a postcard. So you see, let us try it now. Let us see. So you're gonna ask the guy to verify through a postcard, all because of this business that we have already. So the lesson that you guys have learned in this video is that whenever you want to create a listing, make sure you don't have a duplicate listing at all. And if you are trying to create a 2 or more listings for your business, don't let it be the same name. Let the name be different. Like if you are using food, you can use food, fast food for kids, as well as that rename. If you are using the same name each time for your business will be spam, and your business won't be allowed to be verified without a postcard. So guys, in the next video we will be looking on how to get rid of suspension after a business is verified. That's the main issue people are facing out there right now, how to get rid of suspension after a business has been verified. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe.